Hey, wait, you have to knock. Hey, come in to my humble home. I just want to give you guys one more tour of our house, mostly just because I want to remember this home. This home has treated us so well. We've had so many great memories here. I might start crying, but I love this home. Why am I crying? Okay, this is our living room.
Go.
Honey, too big.
Bring me your book. Come on. Yay! Look at how big she is, you guys. She's just going everywhere. Oh, yay! Hey, say hello.
Oh, it's so fun.
Look, right here. Right here.
Tell me, you'll have your birthday in a couple months, okay? Do you want to say I'm excited to meet you? I'm gonna miss you.
I was hoping
Yeah.
you have little fingers. You have little fingers.
He does have little fingers.
Hey, it's my turn.
Sit right there by Maya and you can hold them together.
Go to the bear. You're so cute. You're so cute.
A lot of good memories here. We brought Ezra home to this house. We took our light.
Dinner's here.
It's happy shake here.
Okay,
And I'll get this one, okay? And the sugar. That is a perfect bowl. Okay, and then we want to go like that. Good job. Now put it right there. Oh, that's so good. Okay, here's the next bowl. Nutritious breakfast.
And then after this, we'll have to do. And then after this, we'll have to do another toast deal. Do you guys want a banana?
Yeah.
We have any bananas.
A beautiful kitchen. I cooked so many meals in. I had good days. I had hard days here.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
That's it.
And as the
Boy.
light startled
Is that
our eyes, we
nice?
let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
Oh, Maya, you're so soft.
Story
So excited.
You're so excited.
Dreamy, breezy, we go easy,
Bless you.
easy.
Yeah, Bobby, you were awake?
Undercover agents of the
Over here, my laundry room where I spent many hours sorting dirty laundry.
hand in
My pantry.
Super empty. Garage. Empty, nothing.
Come upstairs.
willows.
She's like, Mom, this is just so annoying. You could just pick me up and be such a
Now we climb. Oh,
our beautiful playroom where the kids played hours and hours and hours.
Okay, what are your questions?
Do you love me enough to have another baby with me?
This is not pregnant.
Yes, it says pregnant. There's a line.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No way. Are you serious? Are you sure?
Yes. Plus. In our master bedroom, where all the magic is positive. It's a very faint line. But I am pregnant. Oh, I know. Come here.
My office / closet gone.
I'm gonna miss this tub.
Cheese, bye.
There you go.
It was really nice because we had a big tub and a big shower.
I was thinking, I took so many baths in there when I was pregnant. Oh, I'm gonna miss that. Oh, here we have bathroom. This is the bathroom I potty trained Maya in. Awesome! I'm proud of you. We're using it.
Oh, it's true.
So, good times here, and we have. Okay. Yeah, throw that away.
I think this is the saddest part for me to see Talmadge and Maya's rooms just bare.
No, they just like grew up so much here. Like Talmadge was a baby.
Mhm.
They just like grew up so much here. Like Talmadge was a baby.
Mm-hmm.
And Maya was most definitely a baby, and she just
Talmadge just
turned
lived.
into a little girl in this home.
Talmadge just lived half of his life here. Maya's lived 3/4 of her life here.
So sad. Right?
Where are your blankies?
Your dinkies.
She calls her blankies ginkies. It's so cute. Go get them. Where are they?
There's something in
Get them out. Get them.
and a sparkly shimmer.
Come on. Pull them out. You're welcome. Pee-pee.
Easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond.
Oh, you're gonna do that side? It's okay. Living in Indiana is way harder than I thought it would be.
Super hard. And it helps that I'm still working with the same people, so I'll still see them. But I think it'll be hard for you because you won't be interacting with them as much.
I just met so many great people. I learned so many different lessons here, and I'm just thankful that we had the courage to come here and try something new.
And have the courage to leave. We weren't ready to leave, but we literally felt like Heavenly Father was pushing us to the next thing, to grow and stretch us a little bit more. So
Yeah.
on the road, here we go.
Goodbye, home.
We loved you.
Yep. Bye.